When my mother was about to give birth to me, तो my parents were posted in a remote place. तो वहाँ से they had to travel for many hours like to reach Naharlagan. Naharlagan ये जो general hospital है which is now TRIMS. So I was born here, but the journey that my mother had to endure, no, only because their place did not have the necessary medical facilities. I'm full of gratitude कि like in the I am working in healthcare sector at this juncture जबकि अरुणाचल का healthcare modernization is happening, ICU modernization. The entire schooling अरुणाचल से हुआ है, like from nursery to like even before I start, like from the moment I started learning alphabets to my graduation and सब कुछ यहीं से पढ़ा लिखा है. And I also want to bring to your notice one more thing. Class 12 का जो CBSE exam था science stream में, उसमें I was all India ranked 13th. So this I did not do like sitting in some big school in cosmopolitan city, but I was from a government school in हम लोग का अरुणाचल प्रदेश नाहरलगन केंद्रीय विद्यालय से. So sometimes people ask me also, are you liking your new job? So I say कि like it's everything that I had ever dreamt of and I ever wanted to do.
कहते हैं कि बेटी बचाओ और बेटी पढ़ाओ का ये एक जो महान कोट से बहुत ही लाभदायक कह सकते हैं. तो उसी का जो आज एक बड़ा उदाहरण हमारे साथ है, यानी कि IAS मिस यास्नी जी जो हाल ही में सिलेक्ट हो चुके हैं और हम बहुत ही जल्द हमारे अरुणाचल को सर्व करेंगे एज एन लाइक IAS के तौर पे. और हम आज मिस यास्नी जी से उनके बारे जानेंगे और साथ ही साथ जो IAS का उनका जो जर्नी था उसके बारे में जानेंगे. तो मैम सबसे पहले आपको वेरी कंग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Agam. So yes, I was born and raised in Arunachal. मेरा घर नाहरलगन में था, D sector. And throughout my childhood, like मेरा schooling भी अरुणाचल से हुआ है, नाहरलगन केंद्रीय विद्यालय से. उसके बाद में मेरा graduation भी NIT अरुणाचल प्रदेश से हुआ है. In fact, we were the first batch. So yes, only for the brief time, like so like from my birth to 2014 I was here only in Arunachal, और only for the brief time. अभी 7 साल के लिए ही I was, you can say that I was out of Arunachal. अभी again I am back here, so like it feels very good. My parents were both government employees here. मेरे पापा originally he belongs to Tamil Nadu, and he was working as engineer in Arunachal Pradesh government. And my mother is Nepali from Assam, and she was also working in High Court in Naharlagan. And my mother is in fact more Arunachali than me. She was also born here. She was also born here, and she also studied in the same school that I studied in. So yes, so like I had like Arunachal I hold very dear to my heart, and like I have always felt at home here. Yes, so I joined in Arunachal in April end towards May, and I joined in East Kameng. तो East Kameng में भी I was a nodal officer for COVID management. Then as COVID cases rose ना, यहाँ पे जैसे केस बढ़ने लगा स्टेट में, so I was called to the health department in secretariat. So here there is one anecdote that I want to share. So when I was getting born, like when my mother was about to give birth to me, so my parents were posted in a remote place. तो वहाँ से they had to travel for many hours like to reach Naharlagan ये जो general hospital है which is now TRIMS. So I was born here, but the journey that my mother had to endure, no, only because their place did not have the necessary medical facilities. So that was always there कि I should work in the healthcare sector करके, because my own mother to give birth to me, she had to suffer so much for hours because like timely help was not available. Here also I was working in health department, right from vaccine procurement to vaccination policy, आपका even coordination between the districts as cases rose, और जैसे कि आपका so many streamlining donations, we got so many concentrators and mask and other equipments, ventilators for the people. And even now आपको पता ही होगा कि like state is on state is modernizing its healthcare infrastructure at a war footing. अभी आपका PHC, CHC, public primary healthcare center, community healthcare center, district hospital, आपका सब अभी अरुणाचल का modernize हो रहा है. There have been so many oxygen plants that have been set up. So I feel so glad that I am able to work in this. I am able to contribute in this. जैसे मेरे मम्मी को जो फेस करना पड़ा, हो सके तो आने वाले दिन में ऐसा किसी और लेडी को फेस ना करना पड़े. आई एम फुल ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड कि I am working in healthcare sector at this juncture जबकि अरुणाचल का healthcare modernization is happening, ICU modernization and everything. So sometimes people ask me also, are you liking your new job? So I say कि it's everything that I had ever dreamt of and I ever wanted to do. So tourist place, if you ask me, I am born and brought up in Naharlagan, okay, so I'll always be biased towards Naharlagan. So Naharlagan will always be dear to me. But tourist point of view से I think वो जो entire stretch है ना from Bhalepung, Sessa to Tawang, that entire stretch is breathtaking. And even otherwise, Arunachal is so beautiful, not just the place, in fact not just the picturesque landscape, but the sheer diversity and the inclusivity. So as I said, my mother is also born and brought up in Arunachal only. So boiled sabji and all that is very common in my household. And even now also, whenever someone comes to Chennai, now my parents are based in Chennai, but even now also whenever someone comes from Arunachal, lai patta, bambu tenga, these are the things that they have to carry for my mother. And when I was working outside also, when I was working in Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai, so Luktar, you know, right? Yeah, Luktar was that would always be on my plate, and anyone coming from Arunachal, they have to bring that for me. My initial posting is as ADC East coming. So interior, yes, it was true once upon a time that सेप्पा का जब वो अभी वाला रास्ता नहीं बना था, जब वहाँ से भालेपुंग से होके जाना पड़ता था ना, तो we had also heard of सेप्पा when I was growing up here कि मतलब बहुत दूर है कहीं में सेप्पा करके, मतलब I had also not visited. But अभी तो it's only 4 hours from Itanagar after Trans Arunachal Highway, and I was there for 1 month now and I found it very pretty. And कुछ ऐसा इंटीरियर का कॉन्सेप्ट तो अभी है नहीं, एयरटेल 4G आ गया है, and so it's very pretty. And in fact through your medium I would like to tell the viewers also कि हम लोग we were even planning to host paragliding festival na during this winter, and it could emerge as next tourist spot along with the circuit of Bomdila Tawang. So it's no longer remote or as such, it's we are trying to promote tourism here, and that place has full all the potential to emerge as the next tourist spot in Arunachal. Regarding motivation to be an IAS officer, my father had a great role to play. My father would always tell stories कि ये ऑफिसर ऐसा किया, ये ऑफिसर ऐसा किया, so that मतलब आप अगर IAS बनता है या IFS बनता है, आप भी ऐसा कर सकता है करके, he had a big role in motivating us. And now after selection I feel very satisfied कि मतलब I have met all those officers जिनका नाम पापा बोलते थे ना, जैसे कि अंकुर गर्ग सर है, उनसे बात हुआ, नंदिनी पालीवाल मैम है, they were all serving यहाँ पे अरुणाचल में ही सर्व किया है ना, और after selection I got to talk to them, interact with them and learn from them. So yeah, life comes a full circle. So yes, that was my motivation, looking at the good work that others are doing, and my father bringing them to my notice, and parents भी government service में था, तो एक natural nudge towards that तो था ही. Struggle, yes. So IAS का जो journey है, it was not very smooth for me. It took me 4-5 years to reach here, and जैसे growing up in Arunachal, we didn't know anyone who had cleared the IAS exam ऐसे करके ना, तो it was it was a very new challenge for us, and very big challenge. तो हम लोग जब prepare करने किया, after that only we got to know कि exam कैसे कैसे होता है. From our own trial and error methods we learned from our mistakes. So the course of journey was not very smooth. I faced a couple of failure, and then I started working in RBI, and I was working and shuffling between SA, Trivandrum in Kerala and Mumbai. तो managing work with preparation, that was a very big challenge, in which like I would like to give full credits to my parents, na? Like there were times like when I would also not believe in myself, and they stood by me. They just not gave me support and guidance, but like they believed in me when even I could not. So all those who would be preparing for civil service or for anything else in your life, like don't give up. Like failures to hota hi hai. They say that success is sweeter after failure, like day is brighter after the night. So don't give up and believe in yourself. For preparation, civil service ka preparation ke liye, the first and most important thing I would say is confidence. आप दुनिया बिलीव करे या नहीं करे, आप खुद में कॉन्फिडेंट रहिए कि आप कर सकता है करके ना. लाइक एवरी ईयर hundreds of kids are cracking the exam. I did it, even you can do it. So first of all तो कॉन्फिडेंस होना है. हाँ, फिर सेकेंड आप एग्ज़ाम प्रोसेस को जानिए कि व्हाट दिस एग्ज़ाम डिमांड्स. लाइक बहुत कुछ बोलेगा आदमी लोग, ये पढ़ना है वो पढ़ना है. आप चुपचाप सिलेबस लीजिए, जीएस का जितना भी सिलेबस है उसको एक बार मेक अ रीडिंग. उसमें जो भी लिखा है वही आपका सिलेबस है, एंड यू शुड रीड दैट ओनली. उसके बाद आप जैसे कि हम बोलेगा छोटा छोटा चीज़ का वरी मत करिए. डोंट फ्रेट अबाउट स्मॉल थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑप्शनल चूज़ नहीं किया, वो बाद में यू विल गेट टू नो कि कौन सा अच्छा लगेगा आपको ना, या फिर कौन सा आई गेट रिक्वेस्ट लाइक कौन सा पेन यूज़ करना है, कितना घंटा सोना है, ऐसे ना. लाइक डोंट फ्रेट अबाउट स्मॉल थिंग्स. फर्स्ट थिंग, बी कॉन्फिडेंट. सेकेंड थिंग, नो योर सिलेबस वेल. And third thing, then you start reading the newspaper and getting to know the world around you. And fourth and most important thing is revise. It doesn't matter, like in the market na, there will be hundreds of books I'll tell you. Like there is no shortage of material, but what needs to be done is एक ही किताब लीजिए या मैक्सिमम 2 किताब लीजिए, उसको ही बार बार रिवाइज करना है. क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में जाके how much you are able to recollect, like in those 3 hours, that is more important than what all you have read in last 1 year. ठीक है. So be confident, know the syllabus, read newspaper, be aware of the current events, and fourth is revise. So these 4 things if you diligently follow, I don't think like there is any force that can stop you from cracking the exam. Yeah, entire schooling Arunachal से हुआ है, like from nursery to like even before I start, like from the moment I started learning alphabets to my graduation, and सब कुछ यहीं से पढ़ा लिखा है. And I also want to bring to your notice one more thing. Class 12 का जो CBSE एग्ज़ाम था साइंस स्ट्रीम में, उसमें I was all India ranked 13th. So this I did not do like sitting in some big school in cosmopolitan city, but I was from a government school in हम लोग का अरुणाचल प्रदेश नाहरलगन केंद्रीय विद्यालय से पढ़ के भी अगर आप ऑल इंडिया रैंक ला सकता है और IAS भी बन सकता है. It all depends on what you want to do. So I remember 2010 में I passed out class 12 and I was awarded Sange Laden Award for Academic Excellence by the government of Arunachal Pradesh. For my like academic excellence, for my educational achievements. So if I can do it, all the other kids of Arunachal Pradesh also can do it in whatever field they wish to pursue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.